Meaning of descriptor.
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 Descriptor. In programming, a descriptor is an object that provides attributes for other objects. It allows for a flexible and dynamic way to modify the behavior of attribute access without changing the class definition. Descriptors are commonly used in Python with the property decorator, which is a built-in implementation of descriptors. By using descriptors, developers can create more intuitive and user-friendly code, and implement custom behaviors when working with attributes. Overall, descriptors are a powerful tool in the Python programming language that allow for greater control and flexibility of object-oriented designs.